Hello everybody! In this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to crochet a round jute placemat. I created a simple pattern that you can download in PDF. I attached the link below this video. I used this jute cord that I bought in Walmart and 8mm hook. You can use a 7mm or 8. I don't have a 7mm, but I think that it will be better. So let's start. You should start your placemat with amigurumi magic ring. We start with magic ring. Take the end of your thread like this and roll over your hand. Put the hook inside this ring and take the thread. You have a loop on your hook. Then take the thread again and insert into the loop. Done. And now we should do 6 simple stitches in the magic ring. Let's do it together. 1. Take the thread. This is the first stitch. 2. 2. This is the second. 3. 4. 'I'm going to cut this thread. 'So we need to do 2 more stitches. This is 5. And the last one. 6. Done. Okay, so let's count the loops. It should be 6. And now we should tighten the ring. It's simple. Take the end of the thread and pull it. Like this. Okay, our first round is done. The second round is rather simple. We should increase the stitches. We're going to start like this. So I take this thread and the thread is rather rude. So just make this single crochet in the first stitch loop of the previous row. And the second one in the same loop. So in this row we should do 2 stitches in each loop. So we should do 6 increases. This is at 12 stitches. I will show you some of the first stitches, and then I will speed up the video. Two stitches in each loop. 6 times. So we crocheted a second row and I made one single crochet in the loop of the next third row. What is our next step? We should add one more single crochet before each increase. Oh, I should mark the beginner of my row. So I have already done one stitch, then we should do 2 stitches in one loop. So we should increase 2, so 1 stitch and then increase 1, 1 stitch and increase 1 and 2 in one loop, then again 1 single crochet in one loop, 2, just a second, 2 single crochets in one loop, 1 and the second one, 2. We should repeat this combination 6 times. 1 and 2 in one, 1 in one loop and 2 stitches in one loop, 6 times. We should repeat this combination 6 times. 2 single crochet in each loop, 1, 2, and increase 2 single crochet in one loop, 1, and the second one in the same loop, 2, and so on, 2 and increase 2 in one loop, 1, 1 and 2. The next row we should do 3 single crochet in each loop. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 increase in one loop. 1, 2, done. And continue the row. 3 single crochets in each loop and 2 single crochets in one loop. Okay, we are going to start the next row. So this row should be the same as the previous one, but we should make 4 single crochets in each loop and then increase. Let's start. And now I think that I can speed on the video because I think that you just have to get an idea, the main idea, that each next round you should add 1 single crochet in our combination. So this current round you should make 5 single crochet in each loop and then increase. I mean that 2 single crochet in one loop and repeat it 6 times. The next round will be 6 single crochet in each loop and increase. The next round will be 7 single crochets in each loop, then increase, and so on. I created 11 rounds, and in the last round I make 9 crochets before each increase. And now I want to tell you about the finishes. I mean that you can finish the crochet nicely if you want. I made the additional finish row with slip stitch. This is a very simple stitches. One more time. Put your hook in the loop and take the thread. That's it. 1, 2. Like a half of a single crochet. Just put it in the loop, take a thread, and don't take the thread anymore, just insert it into the loop on the hook. One more time. Done. 1, 2. I take another hook. It's a 6mm hook, and it's rather easy to insert it in the loops. You can do the same if you want, or you can continue with your hook. So I finished my placemat, and the last step is to steam it with an iron. This is a very important step, and don't forget to put the cotton fabric on the top. Congratulations, our placemat is done. Share your creations with me, ask questions, please follow me, and don't forget about the likes.